We know that feeling when you get into your car for the first time and drive away. The first journey is an adventure you'll remember for a long time. But over the years, as your vehicle gets older and the more miles you cover, there's an increased chance of something going wrong and it needing a repair. Your car is made up of many mechanical and electrical components, all of which can be costly to replace or repair. Picture yourself driving on the way to the airport for that holiday you've been dreaming of, or that interview you've been preparing for, when you suddenly hit an unexpected bump in the road. If your vehicle is outside of its manufacturer's warranty period, you could find yourself facing a hefty bill to get things put right. Not to mention the added hassle of finding someone reliable to do the work. By buying an extended warranty today, you can have the comfort of knowing that as soon as your manufacturer's warranty ends, you'll still be covered, giving you one less thing to remember, as we all know how life can change over the years. An extended warranty will offer cover for those mechanical and electrical components of your vehicle for longer, saving you the expense of an unexpected large bill, meaning you can get back on the road and to that well-deserved holiday or promotion that you've been waiting for. Terms and conditions apply, so make sure your vehicle is up to date with its manufacturer's service recommendations and you're using the grade of oil that is suitable for your car. Full exclusions can be found in your plan documents. Speak to us to start your journey today.